My name is Carlie. I studied BTEC dance, A-level dance and Welsh Baccalaureate. In BTEC I got distinction star, distinction star, distinction star, and A-level I got an A, and Welsh Bac I got a B. So I'm going to London Studio Centre, which is a school in London to study musical theatre. I feel very happy with the results I've collected today. I feel that the college has helped me in many ways. I came to college when I was like 14 to partake in the dance shows and stuff. And I think that really prepared me for my time in college because I knew what to expect, I knew the teachers, so that really helped. And my course lecturers were amazing and facilitated the course perfectly, so if it wasn't for them I wouldn't be able to get the grades that I got.